guys, welcome back to this channel Beauty Reviews with Monica. I'm holding the bottle from Body Shop. This is Drops of Light liquid peel. This is for 1995 rupees ka hai. This is 145 ml bottle. Ingredient list is not listed on the bottle, but when I have seen on the site, this is paraben free and all, but it has alcohol which might not suit sensitive and dry skin, as alcohol tends to make your skin more drier. So you can do a patch test if you have sensitive and dry skin. I have combination skin, so I have tested for that and I'll let you know later. So that's the cap which comes with this, like white cap, and it also has lock unlock facility, so it is travel friendly packaging. You will see the consistency of the product. This is a gel, white color gel, and you have to basically massage it, and then it will convert all the dead skin particles on your skin, like jo layer hai, whatever the layer sitting on your face, dead skin, it will just peel it off, and you will see it's clumping, some traces you will see. So you have to massage it for 20 seconds and on dry skin, not on wet skin. So make sure that your skin is dry before you apply this, okay? And after that you're gonna see immediate difference. Skin looks super healthy and bright. That's the first difference you're gonna see. Now let's test it out on my face. Basically I'm using it every week if possible, or if I don't forget. It is recommended on the bottle that you use it 2 to 3 times a week, but I don't use it that much because that much peeling is not necessary, I feel, on my skin at least, and I think so much of peeling will damage my skin too. That's the way you have to massage it on your dry skin for 20 seconds or till those clumps, you can see. So once you see those clumps, and you can just go and wash off. Don't overdo it because the clumps kind of stick on your face if you do it for a long time, and it's kind of difficult to remove it later. So do it for 20 to 25 seconds, and within that you're gonna see those traces, and just wash it off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash my face and come back. So after washing, as you can see, my skin looks smoother because it's resurfacing liquid peel. As the name says, it resurfaces. It basically removes that dead skin layer and makes your skin look healthy and bright. And my skin is combination and it works for me. So this is basically good for those who don't want to use those heavy scrubs which kind of irritates the skin, makes it red. So this is a good kind of peel or exfoliator which will work great. So I would suggest you to do a patch test or check out in the shop before buying it if you have sensitive skin. So that's all guys, I think I'm done. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.